Students, today we are going to do notice. So, what is a notice? Notice is a type of formal communication, right? So, what is the difference between a circular and a notice? Circular and a notice in a way, right? Circular and a notice. Circular is also meant to pass on information, but it circulates from person to person. It is not displayed. Whereas in case of a notice, it's a formal information is passed to a larger audience. It's a formal announcement informing for a large audience, a large gathering, right, or a large number of people. And you see, where is it displayed? It is displayed in notice boards, display boards, right? So what are the characteristics of a notice? Now, notice is a formal announcement, will not be circumlocutory, will be to the point, precise, succinct, right? So here see, brief and to the point, precise, right? And there should be a particular word limit. 50 is the word limit for a notice. You must not exceed this word limit. 2-3 words is fine. 2-3 words are fine, but again, more than that would cost you. Notice, now once we know what notice is, we need to know what are the types of notices, right? Or before going to types of notices, let us go through the format of a notice. So the format of a notice is in this way, right? Format of a notice is in. We always have notice in a box. We have notice in a box. So first, what do we write? It is the name of the institution. Name of the institution, right? Institution, name of the institution. If the address is mentioned of the institution, address also no problem. Then leave a line. You write notice in capital letters. Leave a line, right? So on this side, you can write the date just below the notice, and then you can write the title or the heading or the title. What it should be, the title heading should be short, it should be catchy, and it should be short and crisp, right? Then leave a line, right? Then you are into the content. So what is important in a content, right? What is important in a content? What is important is the date. What is going to happen? When is going to happen? Where it is going to happen? Right? All WH, date, all W's, when, where, right? What is going to happen? All this needs to be clearly mentioned. Date, time, venue. These are the three most important thing of a notice, right? These are the three value points that you must keep in mind. This must be there in any notice, right? And then the punchline, something different. See, all will give this date, time, venue, but you need to be, your notice should be a bit different, right, from examination point of view. So you add on something. What can be the punchline? Now suppose you can add on the name of the chief guest, you can add on the reward, you can add on prizes. These are punchlines, different from the traditional notices that generally students write. You can bring, and then and then when you conclude, you need to write the name and the designation. So this is the format of a notice, and basically this is of 4 marks in board exam. And either you have notice or advertisement or poster or invitation. So choice will be there, right? So name of the institution, if the address of the institution is given, you can write here also and you can write here also, it's your choice. Then you have the notice, then you have the date, then you have the heading, then you have the content. Date, time, venue is a must in all notices, right? And all the W's, what, when, where has to be answered. And then the punchline, right? A punchline, so a line special, telling us something special about the particular event or exhibition or so and so forth. And at the end, the name and designation. Signature also can be put, but hardly we nowadays we can we may not write, we may not put in the signature. We may write the name and the designation only, right? So this is the format of a notice. Now, so then, so notices are of only one type. This is the question that I face. No, notices are not only of one type, right? There are different types. What are the different types? The different types of notice. We have event notice, we have lost and found notice, we have tour, camps and exhibition notice, meeting notice, and so on and so forth. So we'll learn more about the types of notices and examples, an example of each type in our next class. Thank you.